Guys, today I will show my sticker to you. Show you more stickers. Use your cellphone ng mami.
yung aming ceiling light. So, ito ang naging solusyon ko. Wireless switch para mapagana yung aking ceiling light. Okay, o, diba? Ang kagandahan nga niyan, hindi mo na kailangan kapag nalobat yung batteries ng mga remote natin, usually tinatapon agad natin kasi nga disposable lang sila. Hindi sila pwedeng shares kasi sasabog yan. That's why guys, bumili na rin ako ng rechargeable AAA batteries. Ayan ang dami. Sa isang Are you losing hair and going bald? Listen to me. Mix onion juice with coconut oil and apply it to your hair. Hindi manulupot ang cellphone mo. Kahit ilang buwan pang brand out, buti kaya kahit saan mundo ka pa mag-rides. Pag nagkakabit sa motor mo, itong
This little girl is so cute. And then look at this teddy bear. It's so cute also. And this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, now let's use the first one. Not yet.
ito pala yung bawang na ginagamit sa mga nagbubukbang netizens, yung pickled garlic. Tikman ko nga. Ano ba yung lasa nito? Nakaka-curious. So, mulay green na yung bawang, nakabawa. Just had to let you know you're